In the depths of our rebellion, lost in shadows we had made, He saw beyond the brokenness, the price that must be paid. No merit in our wandering, no righteousness to claim, yet love reached out from heaven, calling us by name. But God shows His love for us in this profound way. While we were still sinners, Christ gave His life that day. No conditions, no deserving, just grace poured out so free. In the cross we find redemption, His love eternally. While we were sinners, He died for you and me. We chased the fleeting pleasures, turned our backs on what was true, but mercy chased us fiercely with a heart forever new. In our weakness and our failing, He stepped into the fray, the perfect Lamb surrendered to wash our sins away. But God shows His love for us in this profound way. While we were still sinners, Christ gave His life that day. No conditions, no deserving, just grace poured out so free. In the cross we find redemption, His love eternally. While we were sinners, He died for you and me. Oh, the depth of such compassion, beyond what we can know. A Father's heart unbroken in the blood that had to flow. Now we stand in awe and wonder, forgiven, set apart. His love rewrites our story, healing every shattered heart. But God shows His love for us in this profound way. While we were still sinners, Christ gave His life